How to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps based on science. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. That said, many diet plans leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. These are major reasons why you might find it hard to stick to a diet. However, not all diets have this effect. Low-carb diets are effective for weight loss and may be easier to stick to than other diets. Here's a 3-step weight loss plan that employs a low-carb diet and aims to significantly reduce your appetite, cause fast weight loss, improve your metabolic health at the same time. 1. Cut back on carbs. The most important part is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating significantly fewer calories. Instead of burning carbs for energy, your body now starts burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of cutting carbs is that it lowers insulin levels, causing the kidneys to shed excess sodium and water. This reduces bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to some dietitians, it's not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds (4.5 kilograms, sometimes more) in the first week of eating this way. This weight loss includes both body fat and water weight. One study in healthy women with obesity reported that a very low-carb diet was more effective than a low-fat diet for short-term weight loss. Research suggests that a low-carb diet can reduce appetite, which may lead you to eat fewer calories without thinking about it or feeling hungry. Put simply, reducing carbs can lead to quick, easy weight loss. Summary: removing sugars and starches, or carbs, from your diet can reduce your appetite, lower your insulin levels, and make you lose weight without feeling hungry. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, fat source, and low-carb vegetables. As a general rule, try eating 2 to 3 meals per day. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon, add a 4th meal.
Constructing your meals in this way should bring your carb intake down to around 20 to 50 grams per day.
Protein: eating plenty of protein is an essential part of this plan. Evidence suggests that eating lots of protein may boost calorie expenditure by 80 to 100 calories per day. High-protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, and make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day. When it comes to losing weight, protein is a crucial nutrient to think about. Healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, pork, and lamb, fish and seafood, salmon, trout, and shrimp, eggs, whole eggs with the yolk, plant-based proteins, beans, legumes, and soy, low-carb vegetables. Don't be afraid to load your plate with low-carb vegetables. They are packed with nutrients and you can eat very large amounts without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. A diet based mostly on lean protein sources and vegetables contains all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals you need to be healthy. Many vegetables are low in carbs, including broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Trying to do low carb and low fat at the same time can make sticking to the diet very difficult. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, butter. Summary: assemble each meal out of a protein source, fat source, and low-carb vegetables. This will generally put you in a carb range of 20 to 50 grams and significantly lower your hunger levels. 3. Lift weights 3 times per week. You don't need to exercise to lose weight on this plan, but it will have extra benefits. By lifting weights, you will burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low-carb diets show that you can gain a bit of muscle while losing significant amounts of body fat. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If you're new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming will suffice. Both cardio and weightlifting can help with weight loss. Summary: resistance training, such as weightlifting, may be the best option. If that's not possible, cardio workouts are also effective. Try doing a carb refeed once per week if you need to. You can take 1 day off per week where you eat more carbs. Many people choose to do this on Saturday. It's important to stick to healthy carb sources like oats, rice, quinoa, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and fruit. If you must have a cheat meal and eat something unhealthy, do it on this day. Limit this to one higher carb day per week. If you aren't reducing carbs enough, you might not experience weight loss. You might gain some water weight during your refeed day, and you will generally lose it again in the next 1 to 2 days. Summary: having one day each week where you eat more carbs is acceptable, although not necessary. What about calories and portion control? It's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat, and low-carb vegetables. However, if you want to count them, you can use a free online calculator like this one. Enter your sex, weight, height, and activity levels. The calculator will tell you how many calories to eat per day to maintain your weight, lose weight, or lose weight fast. You can also download free, easy-to-use calorie counters from websites and app stores. Here is a list of 5 calorie counters to try. Summary: it's not necessary to count calories to lose weight on this plan. It's most important to strictly keep your carbs in the 20 to 50 gram range. Thank you for watching. Please click the link in the description for more information.